mean, my husband always tells me chashma pehen lo, which is code word that keep quiet. So now I've told him chashma toot gaya.
First, tell me what did your husband's reaction was that you guys are coming together? Because they always freak out at any show. We have seen Akshay, we have seen Ajay, and they will be asking you, calm down, don't talk too much. And here you guys are together, like there's no filter.
So I think we basically came together only to irritate them. So I think it was that, because we were like, no more censorship. It shall not happen again. It's a law. We've passed it.
I mean, my husband always tells me chashma pehen lo, which is code word that keep quiet. So now I've told him chashma toot gaya.
Whoa!
Don't keep looking at me, please.
I'm
I
not
beg
looking
you.
at you. I'm just waiting. I give you a chance so that by the time I can think of a better answer.
So much. But honestly, you can go first.
I think a lot of things surprised us. First of all, these days when you're talking to your friends, half the time they're scrolling on their phones. So this was a win-win situation. We got their undivided attention and we got paid. So it was fabulous.
Love it. Thank you.
It was a diplomatic experience. It was an experience in diplomacy. You can go to the UN now.
नहीं, ये शो का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था एंड जो challenges थे वो हर शो पे होते हैं, इस शो पे भी थे. And yes, we had a lot of guests, but I had a lot of executive producers on the show. Executive producer 1, executive producer 2 sitting there. So we all together have pulled it through, and we are very excited with what we have to put out there.
शुक्रिया आपके सवाल का. Moving on, our next question. Yes.
Hi. I wanted to ask Nikhil, was it a challenge or was it easy to bring these two ladies together for the platform?
Actually, that's a question from Mrinali. For me, it was very easy. I asked Mrinali, can you? And she said yes. So, and then they were there. So, but we were really fortunate because this was an idea, and to actually make it happen is I'm joking, but it's very difficult. But I'm just so glad that both of them have agreed to host it and then do such a fantastic job on the show, and the kind of people who've joined as part of the guest list. Really excited about bringing it to all of you.